Welcome to this short meditation for stress relief. Start by finding a position that feels comfortable for you, either sitting or lying down. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Allow yourself to settle into this moment. Take a few moments for yourself. Find a quiet and comfortable spot, and let's begin. First, let's ground ourselves. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your nose. Let's do this 2 more times together. Inhale and exhale. 1 more time. Inhale and exhale. Letting go of any tension in your body. Now, bring your attention to your body. Feel the support beneath you, the chair, the floor, or wherever you are sitting or lying down. Let all your tension melt into this surface, like water flowing out of you, leaving your body feeling light and at ease. Let's focus on your breath. Inhale deeply for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold gently for 2. 1, 2. And exhale slowly for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's repeat that together. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel your breath slowing down, calming your mind and body with each cycle. Now, I invite you to imagine a peaceful scene. Perhaps it's a quiet forest, the gentle rhythm of ocean waves, or a warm golden light surrounding you. Let this image grow clearer with each breath, filling your mind and heart with calm. As thoughts come to mind, notice them without judgment. Imagine them as leaves floating on a stream. Watch them drift away. Each time your mind wanders, gently guide your attention back to your breath or the peaceful image you've created. Now, take a moment to appreciate this time you've taken for yourself. Slowly deepen your breath. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and ease into the rest of your day.